Hey guys, we're driving through Kansas. There's my honey. And we're stopping at a brand new Dollar Tree. It's right there. And they're having a grand opening. This is woo-hoo! And we're in where we are? Pratt, Kansas, right? Okay,
Pratt,
let's
Kansas.
go see. Hi everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis. Hubby's driving. Hey.
Hey.
We just went to the Dollar Tree in Pratt, Kansas. Such a cute little community. And it is a brand new Dollar Tree. It's only been open since June, did she tell you? 25th? 27th. So only been open less than a month. It is so cute in there, clean, pretty. They've got it all lined out. So I'm going to show you what I did pick up. Not a lot of things, but a few things. And I did get, what did you get? Some trail.
Mountain Trail Mix.
Yes, 5 ounces for $1. Yes. And before I show you the walkthrough, I want to tell you that they have Stranger Things, and me on my camera, a Stranger Things Coke can. So this is, you know, Stranger Things has just come out, and you can see it's on the back. It's upside down. So I don't know if that's on purpose. I guess maybe because it's Stranger. But anyway, if you collect those things, you may look at the Dollar Tree for a special can. So anyway, I'm going to show you the store first, and then I'm going to show you what I got. That one, but they'll have those at our store. And then a new day. Our supplies all in one space. A nice selection of paints too. Really nice. This is cute. Nice store, right? Very, very nice. So I did want to tell you everything is not $1 in that Dollar Tree because I got a full poster board for 69 cents and everything else was $1. I'm not going to go there about the plus items. I didn't even see any, and I haven't seen any in my stores either. But I did want to show you this erasable wall calendar for 2020. They had 4 different kinds. I'm knock myself out here, and so you might be looking for that. I mean, that's a really good deal for $1, and plus you get some stickers in there. You see those? All right. also, I picked up a couple of things that I hadn't seen. They may have had these before, but these are the cutest little fox stickers, and fall's coming quicker than we know. And so I picked those up. I also picked up these little hangers. They're going to be in a DIY coming soon, as is this. I hadn't seen this at my Dollar Tree. It may have been there and I just overlooked it, but it is a grill topper and you can cook like vegetables and shish kebabs on it. So, but I'm going to use it for something else. You got to think outside the box here, gals. And then, or guys and gals, I picked up one 8x10 frame. Okay, just a few more things. I found these new calendar and note cards. This one is lemons, so cute. It has the 2020 calendar that is a magnetic back, you can see. And then this one is a teacup, really cute. And I am making something for a friend for her birthday, and I'm gonna give her that as well. Now, one thing that I hadn't seen at my Dollar Tree are these. Have you seen these at your Dollar Tree? These wood stems for $1. And they are really pretty. They look like birch wood, and you get a lot. I'm gonna show you this other one. They're cut differently. They're not all cut the same. So these are more squatty, I guess you could say. Little, and not as long. And then the other thing that I got were two books. The books were at the front of the store, and this one is Eat the Year, and it has different National Day recipes, like National Cheese Lovers Day or National Shrimp Day, and then inside are recipes, which I can't really show you, but so really cute for $1. I mean, this is a huge book. And then I picked up one more. We are in Kansas and the wind is blowing like crazy. The Meals to Heal cookbook. So really nice cookbooks for $1. And so anyway, that is my haul, and I want to thank you for the hospitality in Pratt, Kansas at the Dollar Tree there. So I hope if you are in Pratt, Kansas, you go by and check out that Dollar Tree and have a good time walking around that store and enjoying the beautiful new Dollar Tree there. So thank you for watching, and until next time.